Today we are driving approximately 1000 kilometers. I'm looking forward to it. 60,500 kilometers so far on this journey. Going the same route through Denmark, over the bridges. And when we get to Sweden, we'll take another road inside the country over to Norway. Sorry, I ate a bag of potato chips to breakfast. Now I just need my coffee. Hederslev camping is really nice. Stayed there 2 times now in a week. I like it very much. The most important reason I like it is that I don't need to be there before they close the reception. It's a big problem that these camping sites in Europe won't take you if they have closed the reception. In France, yesterday, I was, actually not yesterday, but the day before, I was 20 minutes late, and he had gone out, even couldn't answer the phone. He called me later that night and said I should have made it clear to him that I was late, but I didn't know I was late. I should be there much earlier, but things happen when you're on the road. Anyways, I like Hederslev camping, and there was a festival here this weekend, and there is, called the Kløften Festival, and there was a lot of people, but not any noise in the evening. Everybody, when they came home, they went to sleep. I was preparing for a big party, not to join them, of course, because I was up for 36 hours or so, 38 hours, more or less. Wow, what a road! had to stop for some gas. Gasoline.
Gasoline.